Stock Jockey back with you. And the lady of the bunker on a hot day in Arizona. She's going to pour a gold bar, gang. I know. It's been 2 weeks. Here we go. Gold coming out. Think we good?
I think we're good.
All right. Can you believe it's been 2 weeks, Lady of the Bunker?
You haven't been here, that's why.
Your fans are going crazy. Is that a hole on the bottom of the Crucible?
It is. That's what happens when the boss comes and works on the weekends.
You mean the owner?
All this right here.
You mean the owner of the bunker? He broke the Crucible?
Yeah.
Did you actually have gold leak out of that?
No, because it's like double.
Oh, double layered. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you know that Pit Bullion he had to buy a new furnace because he broke his old furnace?
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. So now his orders are building up for silver bars, and he wasn't able to get his silver bars that he needed made. So he's making everybody wait a week till he gets a new furnace.
I'll make it for you.
There you go, Michael. You heard it here first. All right. So a little shout out for Pit Bullion. All right, gang. This is cooling off a little bit, and I think the lady of the bunker has some other gold. She just put some more gold, I think, in the Crucible.
Yeah, I did.
And a little borax.
Yeah.
Is that going to be poured on top of the bar that's cooling?
No.
No. Okay.
I need to get a reading for that one by itself.
Oh, so you're gonna dump this into a different mold?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to pay a customer on it. Can't we make it?
So we are going to see the Lady of the Bunker do. Wait a minute. We're doing the first bar she just poured here.
She's what?
This is the first bar where she just poured. But she is going to pour another one. There it is, gang. There's the bar that came out of the pour she just did.
Did you fill your tank up over here?
I believe you have some water in there now, yes.
Is it enough for you? Do you want to hear it crunching?
There's enough water in there. I think there's enough water in there.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and cool this off, gang. Here we go. Yes, she has a different technique than the owner of the bunker.
Oh, what? Don't remember him but not me?
No, they've been clamoring for you, Lady of the Bunker. They're not worried about the owner of the bunker at all.
Good, because they won't get much of him.
He's done.
He's not. He's in and out, and that's it.
So this crucible that you have the gold in right now that you're stirring, this does have a hole in the bottom of it, but it's double layered in it, and it's still good enough to use for what?
No, it's just the outside that
I got
has the
you.
hole.
So it's not leaking gold.
No, not at all.
All right, gang. Here's some more gold. Lady of the Bunker. Coming back for the second round here. Now
You can see it here, how it's like.
There's the hole. There's the hole in the Crucible.
I'm sure the video won't show it because of
No,
the
it'll
brightness.
show. It'll show.
Oh no, it just shows light coming through there.
Yeah.
Let there be light.
Let there be light. You heard it here first. You thought God said it. It was Lady of the Bunker.
Well, he said it first.
He did say it first. All right. So now you have this mold on an angle, Lady of the Bunker. on the back of the spatula, was there a reason that you had it at an angle?
Yes.
Because it's a bar that's cooling off at an angle inside.
I just don't think there was enough gold in there to do the whole like bottom layer, so I was gonna get like a bunch of little balls. I just wanted to keep the gold together.
Oh, okay. Just to make sure that it wasn't like this little tiny thin piece across the whole bottom.
It's 100 and something grams, but I don't want to use the little things.
So this will come out. This will have an interesting shape to it, probably. Then.
Yeah, we've done this one before.
Okay.
They've actually commented on one.
All right. So there we go. She's going to dump this one onto again. And there it is. The wedge. The gold wedge of the bunker. And that's going to go ahead and cool off. There you can get a good close-up of what that looks like on that wedge. And she's going to go ahead and take that over and cool that off. And we have to keep it separate from the other stuff.
Yeah.
If you mixed it in with the other one, would that have been a problem?
No, because this is one bar that's matter. But I just didn't want to lose the borax.
Oh, look, gang. It's yeah. It's a little tiny gold bar. And when you saw it, when I took the picture of it when it was at the wedge, when she first dumped it out, most of that wedge was the borax that was attached, and now it's separated from the gold. So there's still some gold. There's still some gold in that borax then too, right?
Yeah, it's still possible. Let it cool down.
All right, now let that cool off. We got the other bar. She's going to clean up the other bar here real quick, and then we're going to take it out on the scale and do the usual. See what it comes out at. This looks like it's going to be. This looks like it's going to be a pretty nice, smooth bar all around.
We're going to remelt it though because I have more gold coming in, and I need one bar at the end of the day.
So even though we're going to show them the, are we going to show them the weight of this one?
Yes, you can.
And then you're going to go ahead and remelt it again with some additional, make it a bigger bar?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. All right, well, I'm going to go out front. Lady in the Bunker is going to go ahead and dry this off.
Yeah, I need to find a towel for that first.
And then we'll go ahead and take a look at the weight. And it's quiet at the bunker right now. And we got the scale zeroed out. Yep. And there's Lady at the Bunker with the bar, drying it off. And there we go, gang.
There you go.
There's the big gold bar. And 1,930 grams of gold. Nice and smooth on the top. Nice and smooth on the top. And then I'll go ahead and pick it up so you can see the edges here. There's the edge of the bar. And there's the end of the bar. And here's the character side of the bar. Little craters there on that one end. Looks kind of like the moon surface. Moon surface. You know, the one that they say we landed on. And there we are, gang. So this is going to be remelted. That was about just under 2 kilos. And Lady of the Bunker is having a little snack. She is going to remelt some other gold and add some gold. So this will be one big bar that we just looked at. It'll even be bigger when you remelt it.
Why do you always gotta expose me?
She works through her lunch, okay? She works through her lunch.
I don't get a lunch.
She doesn't get a lunch. She's on salary. She makes less than minimum wage. So, you know, it's a tough
volunteer here.
It's a tough life. So.
What was the question before you exposed?
Oh, you're gonna remelt you're still gonna remelt the bar, the one we just looked at, You're going to add like twice as much gold to the next bar?
I don't know how much the customer's coming with, but maybe 800 to a kilo.
Okay, so once again, we're just looking, we got 1,930 grams, and I will take a snapshot of the big bar once it's remelted along with this bar, and then you'll see what it comes out to with the total weight. And Stock Jockey's reminding you to keep on stacking your gold bars, your silver bars, your rounds, your coins. And
I saw it coming, so.
the lady of the bunker says we are